Welcome to Horror of Spice, where everything's nice. I'm Horror of Spice.
And I'm Mrs. Horsespice.
And it's Wild Out Wednesday. Happy Wild Out Wednesday. And we're doing Cicada. Kills humans dead. If you can hear them, then you are already dead. If you don't hear them, you are also probably dead. After the environmental disaster, four eccentric friends, led by a disgraced baseball player, must band together to defend Los Angeles from the swarm of giant bloodthirsty cicadas. Scene selection, closed captions, and trailers are the bonus features. This is a Jeffrey Ryan Kent, Cassandra Hine, Theo Crawford, Michael Nielsen, and Lawrence Manley. And it's written, directed, and edited by David Willis. This is a 2018 film. It is 82 minutes long and it's not rated. Here's the front. Here's the back. And there's the disc. We're pairing that with Horseshoe brand's roasted garlic hot sauce. Horseshoe brand says, handcrafted in the Hudson Valley. From those with a passion for garlic, this hot sauce combines slow roasted garlic, the 3-pepper blend, and chopped fresh garlic, creating an all-purpose hot sauce that will truly elevate any meal. This can be found at horseshoebrand.com. And this is a product of New York. No chemical preservatives. It's got vinegar, onion puree, cayenne pepper mash, serrano pepper mash, salts, tomato paste, chipotle mash, roasted garlic. Comes in a nice little fancy wine bottle top.
And smell that garlic.
One, two, three. Very
light.
Very bland. I mean, if you like your tomato sauces, like your bolognese sauce and stuff like that, then this will go great with that. But now I'm starting to get some other flavors. The flavors are late to the game on this. How about you?
I don't feel any spice.
No, I don't feel any spice at all.
I don't feel any spice. The flavor's okay, but I don't think I would buy it again.
What's your thoughts on Cicada?
Okay, this especially goes out to Hobbs. Touche. This... It took us a few adult drinks to get through this one. This one is, special. If you want to have a special night and have a laugh at a real cheesy movie, this is it. Cicada was interesting, to say the least. So, it's, yeah.
It played on every crappy trope as far as the characters go. The special effects were literally fake, shall we say, styrofoam cicadas on strings. And when it wasn't that, then it was crappy CGI. And at first you're like, what the hell am I watching? But then it starts getting funny because they're playing those tropes heavy. You know, they're playing heavy on those tropes. So I understand where you're coming from, Brad, as far as thinking this is a pile of shit. But in my opinion, if you're looking to have a good laugh, if you're looking to have a good drinking game, then this is the one to go with. Now for everybody's favorite part. We got Raw and Extreme Creeps. We got Breaking Spirits. And new this week is Return to Splatter Farm. Comment down below which one you would like us to review. The one that gets the most votes wins. You have until 11:59 tonight to get your vote in. If you're late, that's okay, but we cannot count that at that point. From Horror of Spice
and Mrs. Horrorspice.
y'all stay creepy now. Bye.
Bye.